Hey, it's Cornfu. So this week we are going to go to the refrigerator and pull out some leftovers. Boy, am I really selling this. Actually last year I did a quick digital piece and it turned out pretty cool. It's a nostalgia thing. Kenny, this is for you. It's from the Micronauts. It's one of my favorite characters. They were a toy line back in the 80s, and there's also a Marvel comic for, I think, 2 years. It was by Bill Mantlo, and loved it. I thought it was great. So anyway, I'm going to draw one of those characters. So let's jump in and check this out.
Mego.
Drop.
Hey, thank you for watching. That turned out really good. The second time. Yeah. I need a better closing dialogue. I need to hire a writer. But if you're not subscribed, please subscribe so that you can be disappointed next week when I don't have a video. No, I'm going to try to have a video. I think I'm going to try to do a painting. I don't know. Again, it depends on my workload. It's pretty busy right now. Yeah, so I might see you next week. Show that it's if you're as always, thank you for watching. You know who you two people are.